Guilty. 3 teenagers enter a plea in connection with the death of a Baltimore County police officer. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Denise Koch. In total, all 4 suspects in the murder of Officer Amy Caprio will serve prison time. The 3 remaining suspects in the case appeared in court for a motions hearing, but instead decided to plead guilty. And WJZ is live at Baltimore County Circuit Court. Devin Bartolotta explains how they are avoiding life sentences. Devin?
Denise, those pleas were entered before noon today, and we're told that Officer Caprio's family had a role in the plea deal. 4 suspects and now 4 convictions in the murder case of Baltimore County Officer Amy Caprio. Monday, in a Baltimore County courtroom, 16-year-old Darrell Ward, 15-year-old Derek Matthews, and 17-year-old Eugene Genius pleaded guilty to felony murder. Striking a deal, prosecutors asked a judge to cap prison time at 30 years instead of handing down a life sentence.
The plea was thought out long and hard with the state and with the family, and we feel for these 3 that this is the right plea, and the family is pleased that part of this chapter is over.
Although burglary charges against them were dropped in the plea deal, investigators say Matthews, Ward, and Genius were ransacking homes in Perry Hall last May. While outside, Officer Amy Caprio confronted their getaway driver behind the wheel of a stolen Jeep.
Stop! Stop! Get out of the car!
The driver, Dante Harris, was convicted last month of running over and killing Caprio. Still, her family said then they could hardly consider it closure.
We will live with this traumatic event in our lives. We wake up in the morning, we relive it every day, and it's not something that it's going to go away.
Prosecutors believe Harris's conviction influenced the other suspects' decisions to take plea deals.
So I think that was a big factor for them. If Harrison had not been found guilty of the felony murder, they would have had stronger positions that they shouldn't be found guilty of the felony murder.
And for Caprio's family, the days in court reliving a horrific day in Baltimore County history will soon be over. Now, these 3 defendants are scheduled to be sentenced in September. Dante Harris is due in court next month for a hearing. Reporting live in Towson, I'm Devin Bartolotta for WJZ.